Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Stock Lock Sunday. I had a few packages that came in over the weekend I was going to share with you, but I got so busy. They called me into work today, so I only actually have a couple hours. I want to try to get in a Stock Lock Sunday video in today before I go to work. So we'll push those packages off, and we'll see if we can get this awesome LockWood ASSA ABLOY open. That was a gift from our good buddy FunKey MonKey, and again, thank you, brother. This is an awesome lock in my collection now. It's a 334B 45. It's got a pretty nice bitting too, and it's a brand new lock. It works extremely well. Nice and smooth. Not really much tension here at the core at all. Pretty awesome. But it's got pretty decent bitting. Pretty tough to reach these pins here. It's a 5-pinner. I've opened it up a couple times, and I believe I used this lunatic try to get those pins up there without oversetting these. I believe this is going to have some of the tapered pins in there, but we're going to find out when I open it up. And let's see if we can get this video up today before I go to work. If not, I guess I'll have to try to get it up right when I get home from work tonight. It'll still be Sunday somewhere, at least on the West Coast. Alright, we're zoomed up. Make sure we stay focused in here. It's not working too well. Oh. Alright, well, we'll see if that stays focused. Alright. Let's get to work. Tapered pins. I want to kind of use medium to heavy tension and try not to overset these pins. Want to just kind of nudge them a little bit. So let's get to work. Quick set type keyway. Can work off this ledge pretty nicely. Okay, try to squeeze under 3 there. Now 4. Right back to pin 5. Oh, little click there. Just nudging these pins. Try not to overset them. Like that one there. Let's start this over. This might not be the right pick to start with. Alright, there's a couple from 5. Pin 1. Just nudging it, a little click. I think I dropped 1. I think I got a little more from 5. That was pin 3, but it didn't like the set. Dropping pin 1. Little click from him again. I think that was pin 3 again. Okay, that was a good one from 5. I believe 5 is set. Pin 1 we dropped again though. That could be pin 2. This could be the one. That opens her up. Awesome. Alright, let's get this thing open and see what's in there. Alright. Let's put it down here. Back her up. And grab a tray. What do we got available? Well, we got that one available. That's one that West Coast Picks made me a while back. I got a little shim here too. But where are my tweezers? Alright. Need to find some tweezers here. Hold on one second. Let me back this camera up so I can open up this drawer. Because I'm not sure where they are. Oh, I know where they are. Never mind, let me put that back. They're on another tray. Sorry about that, I got them, but I grabbed a spare shim too in case I need that. Alright, let's get this thing open. Need a Phillips here. Alright, we got a back plate here. Let's lock this up. Might make it easier for us. All these screws seem to be a little loose. Not very tight at all. That's alright, it made it easier for me. Alright, let's open this up and see what we have in here. As a matter of fact, 1 second again. I just wanted to grab one of these lighted plug followers here from FunKey. This one here might have to be adjusted. Sorry. I got backups. Alright. Definitely all tapered key pins, just like I expected. Oop, that was pin 2. All tapered key pins. Absolutely nothing done there in the core. Let's see what we got up here in the Bible, because I know that we have some spools up here. Oh, and there's one right there. There's a spool in one. I probably should mark this. I'm gonna mark this real quick. Alright. I'm going to turn this way too. It's easier for me. Another spool in 2. Spool in 3. I imagine these might all be spools up here. Yep. All 5 spools. And just for ha-has, I'll dump the springs out. I believe those are all brass. Nothing done up there in the Bible. But we'll have a quick look at the pins. I'll just show you one of the key pins and the spools here. If I can make my camera cooperate. See, all the key pins are tapered just like that one. And all the spools look just like that. Fun lock to pick though. And again, thank you very much, FunKey MonKey. I really appreciate that lock for my collection. That is an awesome lock. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.